behavior of people when they lie. We want to see if I lie, where do I look the other person in the eyes, or do I look away? What is my behavior when I lie?
Hop, bu haligi alohida eksperiment. Tak odam yolg'on gapirib turganda qanaqa bo'lish haqidagi bu eksperiment. Hop, odam yolg'on gapirganda ko'zlarini gesture qanaqa bo'ladi? Yolg'on gapirib turganda boshqa joyga qarab oradimi? Ha? Yoki bo'lmasa yolg'on gapirib turganda tepa pastga qarab oradimi? Xuddi o'sha narsani nazorat qilyapti turgan hozir bu o'sha o'zlarining sistemasi.
During every physiological recording, you have the possibility directly from our software to synchronize with video recording. You can use your web camera, but also external camera, and observe and record the experiment and the behavior of the people.
Ishlayib turganingizda bizda narsamiz bilan siz bir vaqtda o'zida tekshirib turib, boshqa gaplashib turib, boshqa kamerani ulab turib, o'sha ketyapti turgan jarayonlarni ham ko'rsatishingiz mumkin bizning programmamiz bilan.
And this is perfectly synchronized with the data. Video synchronized with data.
Hop, video o'sha bog'langan ekan manba aligisi bilan. Datasi bilan, informatsiyasi bilan.
This device has also analog output signals in the form of -10 to 10 volts. Analog output, with which you can drive external device. You can drive electrical stimulator, but you can drive also some other equipment. For example, you can build in a logic. As soon as you contract your hand, EMG signal goes up, it activates analog output channel, and it triggers, for example, robotic arm. There are all kinds of interesting experiments that you can do, combining physiological signals and the control of external devices.
Hop, mana bu 16 tali aligisi bor-ku, ma'lumot kirgizadiganlar. Ha? Xuddi shularning pastida, mana pastini ko'rgan bo'lsalaring, ikkita chiquvchisi ham bor ekan. Ha, u chiquvchisi bilan, misol uchun qo'lingizda bundoq harakatlantirib turganingiz ham sistema biladi-ku. O'sha chiqishi bilan, shu misol uchun qanaqadir robotik qo'l yasagan bo'lsangiz, xuddi o'shani harakatlantirish imkoniyatiga ham ega ekansiz programmasi bilan.
Maybe this is very useful in your case because you probably developed some kind of technology that is linked to physiology. So,
bu sizlar uchun juda ham kerakli bo'lishi mumkin. Chunki sizlar o'sha meditsinaga oid alik bo'yicha o'qiysizlar.